Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Mommy Teachings. Let's learn about my school. Let's start. Chapter 1. My School. Sunny, where have we come? Ravi, we have come to see my school. Sunny, is this your school? Ravi, yes, it is. Sunny, what do you learn at school? Ravi, I learn to read and write. Sunny, do you learn to dance too? Ravi, yes, I do. Sunny, who is your school principal? Ravi, my school principal is Mr. Amanpreet Singh. Sunny, does he punish the students? Ravi, yes, he punishes those who do not behave properly. Sunny, do you think that school is a temple of learning? Ravi, yes, I do. Sunny, do you like going to school? Ravi, yes, I do. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and to subscribe to my channel.